to fix the problem with our web view. So that's actually not much of a problem. In here, if you want to, you can remove the print vid ID. And what we're going to change in here, instead of using the UI screen, we're going to use the main screen. Not like that. So UI screen dot main screen like that. So here the bounds are of the UI screen dot main screen, and here the height, we're not going to use the frame that height, but we're going to use bounds that size that height. Now something else, we don't want our web view to scroll, so here you can write web view dot scroll enabled, web view dot scroll enabled, make it to false. False, 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 then run it. Now if everything went right, it should work. So let's click on this video. We have the title, we have the description, and here we go, guys. We have the thumbnail. If we click on this web view in here, it will load our video. And that's it, guys. So now by the end of this tutorial, I will show you guys how you can change the back color, and also here these are actually links. These are actually how can I say it, links that you can touch and open on Safari. But since the global tint of this view controller is black, we're going to change it. I mean, not even that, because we haven't enabled links and addresses, and we also need to deactive the editable property of the text view. So go to main.storyboard. That's pretty easy. Go to main.storyboard. Open your storyboard. And here, click on the text view and check editable. And click links, click phone numbers, events, and addresses. Oh, rerun your app. Now you will be able to select these links. You will be able to select the links in question. Let's watch the first video. Here we go, guys. So now we can see the links. We can see the title. We can see the links. And the video in here, you can watch the video. I guess you can even put it in a landscape mode. Okay.